Font Finder, how to use CorelDRAW's font identifier. CorelDRAW's font identifier helps you recognize fonts from images or scanned documents. It uses What the Font, an integrated tool that matches fonts based on samples. Here's how to use it. How to identify fonts in CorelDRAW. 1. Open CorelDRAW and load the image or document containing the font. 2. Select the text tool from the toolbar. 3. Click text What the Font. 4. Drag a marquee around the font you want to identify. 5. Click inside the selection or press enter to complete the capture. 6. CorelDRAW will upload the sample to What the Font, where you'll get font suggestions. 7. Follow the instructions on the website to find the closest match. Tips for best results: ensure the text is horizontal and clear. Capture uppercase or lowercase letters only, avoid numbers or special characters. The ideal letter height for accurate identification is about 100 pixels. You can explore more details on CorelDRAW's font identification here. https://product.corel.com/help/coreldraw/540215253/n/doc/previewing_and_identifying_fonts.html, or try the font finder tool here. http